I'm Dr. Bonnie Harder. I'm here with Pocket, one of my companion and light riding horses. I'm going to show you today how to make a cardboard mold of your horse's back. It's a common thing I get asked when you're trying to find a good saddle for your horse. What do I do when I can't bring my horse to the saddle fitter? What if I can't afford a saddle fitter? What if I'm just going to a local tack shop or a 4-H tack sale? I need to find a saddle for my horse, but I have no clue what I'm looking for. Well, let's start by just making a cardboard mold of your horse's back. You'll need a few things. One, a tape measure. Second, a piece of wire or a flexible ruler. You come to your horse, you're going to want to find the shoulder blade, and then you're going to want to take about 2 to 3 fingers, and that adds up to about 2 to 2.5 inches. You can also measure, and that's where you want to place the first measurement, because that's where your saddle should be sitting with the first pressure on your horse's back. If you place that right on your horse's back, you get an idea what your horse is going to look like. So you can smooth it down, bend it down, take it up, and now you take this, you got a little mold of your horse. You can find some cardboard here. Most people have some cardboard left from online shopping or go to the grocery store. And you take that and you draw a nice little cross section of your horse's back. Now you do that at least 3 times. You can do it, usually you can do it more if you choose, but I usually like one at the beginning, one in the middle, and then the one at the end. You have to find the last rib of your horse. You come up, and that's where the last way of the saddle should be sitting. Right about here to here is what's going to hold you right on that rib cage of the horse. So the way the saddle should be anywhere past approximately this area. To make your last little mold of your horse right in that area. You take that, you bring it back to your cardboard, and you make another one right there. Now, after you're done, you get nice 3 molds of your horse's back. The last part is going to be the curvature of your horse's back. You're going to do that again with a flexible ruler. And you're just going to mold that right on the horse's back. Take that back and get a nice drawing of your horse's back, and you draw that out. Now if you don't have it, wire's not going to work quite as well, or it's a little bit stiff. You have a calm horse, you can have someone to hold the cardboard up on the opposite side of your horse. Take your hand and a marker and just draw like that, trace the back of your horse. When it's said and done, you'll have a nice little curvature of your horse's back. I like to label the shoulder, the hip, label how much room I have in between, as far as how far between the shoulder and the back of the saddle, so I can measure in the future. Then you cut those things out. When it's all cut out, looks something like this. 1, 2, 3, and a wonderful little curvature of your horse's back. I always put an S and an H, a T and a B, so I know on shoulder, hip, top, bottom. So what you do when you get to the tack shop now, first thing you do, you got saddles lined up all galore, trying to figure out what one's going to fit your horse. You can actually take your little first mold here, kind of put it in here, see, is this going to fit my horse? You want to get a little bit of room, kind of get an idea gauge, just stick that in. You can turn the saddle on the opposite side, upside down. Stick it in like that, get a good gauge that way. That nice curvature here, you do the same thing. Kind of put that in, kind of feel how it's going to relate to your horse. You can kind of get a feel, is there a little gap in there, is there not? Is it going to sit kind of awkward on her, or not, or him? take the other mold pieces, I can fit those in there. Right about the middle, see how that's going to fit? And right at the end, the last weight should be. Kind of get a feel where the weight is going to be displaced. That'll give you an idea if your saddle is even close or worthwhile bringing home to try on your horse. If you have any questions, feel free to post down below or comment, and please like or share this video. Thank you.